are going to be talking about the strategy of using punctuation to enhance our fluency, okay? So we are going to talk about ways that we can use punctuation to help our fluency so that our reading sounds better, and also so that the person who is listening can understand what the story is about, right? What are some punctuation ending marks that we might see in a story? Rocco?
A question mark.
Question mark.
Period.
Period.
Exclamation. Exclamation mark.
Very good.
Comma.
Commas, good. Do you have another one, Jerry? How about quotation marks? And do you have another one? Come join us, please. Do you have another one?
Yeah.
An apostrophe, very good. Yesterday we read Alfie the apostrophe, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I remember one more.
You remember another one? Tell us.
Like the line.
Hyphen?
Yeah.
Yes.
What were the ones that shows like a C?
You're talking about parentheses? Okay, very good. Okay, so today we're going to talk about this book. You've probably read this book. This is a pretty familiar book for most of us. Is Your Mama a Llama? Okay? And we're going to start by looking at the beginning. It's going to play for us here. Okay. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Dave. I'm going to stop it there so we can look at this for a second. I see a bunch of things here that I can use to help my fluency. Is your mama a llama? I see quotation marks. That tells me that the person is talking. I might want to change my voice a little bit so that this person has a voice. I also see at the end, it's a question mark. When I see a question mark, my voice is going to go up. So I don't say, is your mama a llama? I say, is your mama a llama? With my voice going up. Then this part is read together and I take a little pause and then I read the next part. I ask my friend Dave. So read along with me in your head while I read out loud and let's see how we do. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Dave. Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up if that makes sense. All right, we're going to go to the next page. Let's try another one. Okay, so here I have quotation marks again. I also see this comma. What do I do when I come to a comma? I take a pause. When we're practicing, sometimes we do what? Snap, right? To remind us that we take a pause. No, she is not, is the answer Dave gave. So again, I did some chunking. Not chunking like when we're sounding out a new word, but chunking in the sentence. I put this together, I took a pause because I saw that comma, and then I read the rest. So go along with me. No. Oh, there was another comma. Did you see that? So I had to pause again. No, she is not, is the answer Dave gave. All right, good job. Let's try another one. Okay. So here, I see quotation marks again. So I know right away this is a character talking, and this whole part is someone talking. So I might want to change my voice. Who is it that's talking?
The bat.
The bat. She hangs by her feet and she lives in a cave. I do not believe that's how llamas behave. Let's see what happens next. Okay, now this page has something new. There are blocking it. There are 3 dots here. Do you know what those are called? What are they?
It's like when you run out of room and then you then you just write it on the back or something.
Okay, so actually you're on the right track. An author will use these dots to build suspense. In this book, the author wants us to guess what the animal is with without telling us until we flip the page, okay? So it says, "Oh," I said, "you are right about that. I think that your mama sounds more like a..." What? A bat. And so the author used these to build the suspense and to have us guess, okay? So let's see if you were right. And that's called an ellipsis, those 3 dots. Let's see if you were right.
Yes. It's a bat.
It's a bat. All right. So here we go with quotation marks again. "Is your mama a llama?" I asked my friend Fred. "No, she is not," is what Freddie said. So you notice I'm looking at those quotation marks and those commas. We're going to read just one more. Here it comes. Here we go. "She has a long neck and white feathers and wings. I don't think that a llama has all of those things." "Oh," I said, "you don't need to go on. I think that your mama must be a..." Swan. So again, we see at the bottom of that page, right? The 3 dots in a row. Is it like 12 dots or 10 dots?
No.
No, it's just 3. 3 dots is our ellipse. And then it goes. Do you think you were right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
That's the baby.
Here it comes. They have a reader on there, but there we go. You were right. Swan.
Wait, where does it say swan?
Right there. Boop. It did swan. Okay. So the strategy that we're talking, and we've talked about it before, right? We've read this. Remember this great book we read?
Yeah.
Okay. And we read this one too.
Yeah.
Okay. And these are all ones to help us to remember that using our punctuation to enhance our fluency. That helps the reader to understand the character. When I do my read alouds to you, you would be really bored if I got up here and I read it like this and I didn't change my voice at all, right? You would probably all fall asleep on me, right? It's like a robot, yeah. So even if we don't talk, hold on, Fiona, even if we don't talk like a robot, we still remember with the question marks our voice goes up, with the periods we stop, with the commas we take a pause, right? With the exclamation point our voices go up and we have emphasis, okay? So when you are doing read to someone, I want you for this next round to really work on practicing using your punctuation to enhance your reading. And I want your partner during read to someone to give you feedback of you did a great job, or maybe give you some tips on how you could even help to make it better, okay? So I'm going to go around and you're going to tell me which round, what you're going to do for this round. Rowan.
And I finished one because I was reading.
Yes.
Not the book.
Fiona.